Okay, we have an L&L oven here. L&L Special Furnace Company. It's a 2350 max Fahrenheit. It does have process gas. It's got a high and a low temp. Right now it's set to 1650. It's on its way there. We're just showing you the operation that make the elements work. It's heating up. This is it's a shop-made frame that it's sitting on, and it's got a slide here that'll slide in. So you can slide this into your compartment, which is kind of nifty. Anyways, it's about a 1 cube. I believe the specs on it are 12 by 12 by 26. It measures a little more than that, but I think that's the official. It does have the inert. You can add nitrogen to it. That's what it's meant to be, ran in there. Here's your piping. And then your nitrogen would go in 2 spots here, one here and one at the back. And here's your thermocouples. It'll take a top zone reading or a bottom zone reading. Okay. We'll just open it up and let you see that it's hot in there. There you go. Thanks for watching.